extremely grateful to you for taking the time to visit Pakistan to celebrate our 10 years of CPEC. 10 years ago, CPEC was signed between Prime Minister Shehbaz Shareef and President Xi Jinping. And it was put into implementation even before the ink was dry. And that is why today we can claim that under CPEC, more than $25 billion worth investment took place in power sector, road infrastructure, hydropower sectors, and public transport. I have no doubts that we are entering into second phase of CPEC, and today we have signed certain important documents which will further enhance our economic cooperation, and we will undertake second phase of CPEC under a new model. It will be between B2B, it will be investments in agriculture, in information technology, so that Pakistan, through Chinese cooperation and support, is able to export its items according to the requirement and standards of Chinese government. I am extremely grateful to my dear President, President Xi, for sending you as a special envoy to Pakistan and show great solidarity of people-to-people friendship between the two countries, showing to the world that both the countries are wedded into a relationship which is unique in this world. We are friends, all-weather friends, are in brothers, and this friendship will continue and will not tolerate any kind of obstacle.